Hello friends, welcome to the second session of Java tutorial. Guys, in this session, we are going to see how we can install the JDK in our local system. So guys, in this session, firstly, we will learn what is JDK, what is the full form of JDK. Then we will see what is the need to install JDK, why we need to install the JDK in our local system, right? So when we install the JDK, before that, we need to see what is the current version of JDK or current version of Java installed in your local laptop. Is there any other existing Java version or JDK version installed in your local laptop? That we will see how we can check the existing Java version on the laptop. Then guys, we will see how you can download the JDK, from where you can basically download the JDK, that we will be looking in. And then guys, finally, once we have downloaded the JDK, then we will see how we can install the JDK. We will verify as well in the end that JDK has been installed in our system. So this video is going to be very informative for you. So guys, the first thing is, what is JDK? JDK is Java Development Kit. So JDK is Java Development Kit, and guys, I had already given you a overview of JDK in the chapter 1. If you have not watched that video, you can watch that video by clicking on the link which is given in the description box of this video, as well as in the top right corner in the card section. So you can watch the video, and there I have given you the complete explanation of the JDK. But basically, JDK stands for the Java Development Kit. And what is the need to install JDK? Reason is, if we want to run a Java code, or if we want to run a Java program in our local system. When I say local system, it means it's your local desktop or local laptop. So if you want to run a Java program in your local system, then you need to install the JDK. Why we need to install JDK? Because JDK is the one on which a Java program runs, because JDK basically provides you a platform on which the Java program runs. Java program never runs directly on a particular operating system like Windows or Linux. So Java program always need a platform, right? And that platform is provided by the JDK. This is why we need to install the JDK. I hope it is clear to you why we need to install the JDK. So guys, I have uploaded the notes of this topic on the Google Drive, so you can also access to those notes by clicking on the link which is given in the comment section of this video. So if you see, these are the notes for this topic, and here in these notes I have clearly explained you the need to install JDK. The reason is, if you want to run the Java application, right, you need a platform, and this platform is provided by whom? This platform is provided by the JVM or JDK. That is why we need to install the JDK in our system, right? So I hope it is clear to you. Now the third point is, guys, the third point is how we can check the existing JDK version or Java version. When I am saying the JDK version, it basically means the same, that it is a Java version. So never get confused when when I will sometimes say JDK version, or sometime I will say the Java version. Both things are the same. Okay. So now we want to see if there is any existing Java version in our laptop. So how you can check for that? You just need to press the window key like I pressed. Then you have to type a command cmd. So once you type this, then this command prompt will get opened. You just have to click on open like I clicked, right? And then you have to fire a command, java space version. So this is the command you have to fire, right? Here you can see you are getting a message that Java is not recognized as an internal or external command. So this means it doesn't recognize the Java. So this means Java is not currently installed in my system. Okay, once I will install the JDK, we will fire this same command again, and then you will see that it will give me a version of Java which is installed in my system. because currently there is no Java installed in my system. That is why it is giving this message that it is not able to recognize the Java. So I hope it is clear to you. So how we can check the existing Java version? By firing the command in the command line. And what is the command? Java version. So I hope it is clear to you. Now the next point is, guys, how you can download the JDK, right? So if we have to install the JDK, then firstly we have to download that JDK, right? So from where you can download the JDK? We can download the JDK from official website of Oracle. From official website of Oracle. So in the chapter 1, guys, we discussed that there are multiple Java versions or multiple JDK versions which have been released by the Java till now. Okay, if you see, there are multiple Java version, the starting from JDK 1 to JDK 22, right? There are multiple Java versions which have been released by the Java till now. Okay, so if you want to check the latest Java version, you can just go to this link, and here you will, get the latest Java version. If you want to, download or install the latest Java version, you can just download from here. Okay, but for now in this video, what we are going to do, we are going to install the JDK 17. Okay, so how you can install the JDK 17 or download the JDK 17? You can download from this link, and as I already told you, you can download the notes of this video by clicking on the link which is given in the comment section of this video, and you can request for the access of the notes for this topic. There I have already given you all these links as well. Okay, so here this is the page. This is the official Oracle page where they have given multiple installers for downloading the JDK 7. So they have given the installers for the 64-bit or 32-bit systems. Okay, so how you can check which version is yours, whether your system is 64-bit or 32-bit, how you can check that? For that, what you have to do, just go to your folder structure, right, and then right click on this PC. Like you can see, I am right clicking on this PC. Okay, then click on properties. So once you click on the properties, a pop-up will get opened. So you can see a similar pop-up will get opened in your case also, and there you can easily check what is the operating system type. So here you can see my operating system type is 64-bit operating system with x64 based processor. In case you have 32-bit, then you need to download the 32-bit JDK, compatible JDK. Otherwise, you can also download the 64-bit, which I am going to download. Okay, so what I am going to do, so I will be basically clicking over here, and then I will be downloading the 64-bit exe file. So I will click on the downloads, and then I will be saving this in a particular folder. So I will be saving over here in the octube. Okay, so you can see I have saved the JDK over here. And guys, I will also upload this JDK over here. So you can see I will be uploading this JDK as well at this location, so in the Google Drive. So if you want, you can get the JDK from the Google Drive as well. So I will just upload over here as well for your reference, right? So now we have downloaded the JDK 17. Okay, next step is we have to install the JDK, right? So how we can install the JDK in our local laptop or system? For that, guys, what we have to do, you just have to double click on this file, right? So to install the Java, you should have admin rights in your system. So if you are using your official computer or laptop, then there can be a chances that you don't have the admin rights. Then in that case, you have to request your IT team for the admin rights. So you can see, as soon as I have double clicked, this type of section gets open. I just have to click on the next, then again I have to click on the next. Okay, then you can see this type of progress bar is coming up. Here it is, validating, and then it is basically installing the Java files. So you can see it is doing multiple steps. So you also have to do the exact same steps to install the Java in your system. Okay, so let's wait for the installation to get completed. I will not skip this section because these are steps are very important for you to follow. In case you get any error, you can just compare the steps with the steps which I am showing you over here. Okay, now you can see Java has been installed successfully. Okay, so you can see Java has been installed successfully. Okay, I'm just closing it. Now guys, if I go to the C program files, and then if I go to the Java, right there you will even see that Java has been extracted at this place. So at 921 you can see this JDK 17 folder has been created. Here we have the complete directory. So in the bin folder we do have the full Java setup as well, right? So this is very important for you to see. Now guys, the next step is we have to configure the Java right into our environment variables as well. So you can see I'm clicking on what I have done. I have just pressed the window key and then I have typed environment variables. So you also have to do the same thing. Okay, then you have to click on the environment variables, right? Over here just try to see whether there is any Java home or not. If there is any existing Java home, then you have to make the changes in that. Otherwise, create a new variable with the name Java home. Okay, and then guys, what you have to do, you have to give the full path till this step. You have to give the full path till this step outside the bin. Okay, and you have to declare like this. Okay, then you have to click on OK button. So here now you can see guys, I have declared the Java home. Then I have to give this in the path as well over here like this. So I have just clicked on the edit, and here we have to see whether any Java is installed or not. If you see any Oracle path, just remove that because it can create a problem. It can create or it can pick even an older version as well. Okay, so you can see I have removed it, and then I will be basically what I will be doing, I will be giving the reference of Java home variable which we had created. So you also have to do the same step, Java home percentage, and then you have to give like bin, so forward slash, and then you have to give the path of bin. This is the same step you also have to do in order to install the JDK in your system. Okay, so now you can see we have given the path of the Java in the environment variables as well. Now let's see whether the Java has been installed or not. So I will open the command line. So you can open the command line at any directory because now in all the directories of this computer you should be or the system should be able to recognize the Java. Okay, so there is no foundation that I have to open the command line in this directory only. So in all directories now it should recognize the Java. Okay, so you can see I have opened over here. Then I will be again firing the command Java version. So you can see once I fire this command, it is now able to recognize the Java. Okay, so it is telling me Java version is 17.0.10. So I hope guys this is clear to you how you can install the JDK or how you can install the Java, right? Currently I have installed the JDK 17, but you can install any Java version. The steps are exactly the same. So I hope guys it is clear to you. Now we have installed the Java. In the next video we will be installing the editor. We will be installing, let's say, IntelliJ, okay, or Eclipse, and then going forward we will start doing the coding. We will start writing our first Java program. So I hope guys it is clear to you how you can install the JDK into your local system. So I hope guys this video is informative for you, and guys if you like this video, please share this channel with your friends. Thank you for watching.